You will love what you see inside of this beautiful, newly constructed home. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a spacious laundry room, and just wait until you see the shower in the spacious owner's suite. This 3-bedroom/2.5 bath home is located near the heart of an emerging downtown area. You will be close to dining, restaurants, shopping, specialty stores, fresh market vendors, lodging, medical offices, parks, and more. Working from home or just need a desk/office area? This home checks the box for that, too. Don't let this rare find pass you by. Seller is even willing to pay up to $5,000 toward closing costs with a full price offer. Schedule your appointment with your realtor/agent today and bring your best offers.